Alright, today I'm gonna work on the sun visor on the passenger side on this, I believe it's a 2007 Toyota Highlander. I'll put it all in the remarks there. Here's the problem. As you can see, it's not staying up. And sometimes you get lucky and it's just loose screws, but it's sagging so much it's probably a bad visor. So, let me get in here. So we're working on this guy. This just clips on. Oh look, I don't want to break it. So just gonna get a plastic tool like this, and oop, there you can hear it popping free. Just be gentle around the edges. There you go. That should be enough. It's kind of hooked in there. There you go. See, it just has these little clips on here. Yeah, they're just around the edges right there. That's how I got that off. Just set this over there in the sun so it melts. And so if it was loose, which it's not, those screws would be moving around. So a couple things you want to watch for. Oh, it does have a light. So you want to see if you have a light. Check your. Hey, how's it going? Check your. Open your sun visor. If it's got light, you know that there's going to be some electrical wires in here. And let me get these screwdrivers here. If you're working on anything Japanese, what's it called? Vessel. I'll put a link to these. These are awesome because they're magnetic tip, and Japanese typically use a different kind of Phillips head. And this screwdriver will work on American screws better than the American Phillips head, and American Phillips heads don't work on Japanese screws. So you can see it gets right in there really good and grips it to where a Phillips won't do that very well. And I'm going to have to catch this, and there's going to be some wires. I guess it doesn't matter if I break it because it's, well, I don't want to break those wires. Let me let's see, we'll let it put this down here. Oh, it's a lot of pressure on that. I can clip it in there. All I did is clipped it over there to get my screwdriver. Actually, that might not be too bad idea. Hopefully I'll hold it in doing this one-handed. So that clipping over there seems to help out. It's probably going to fall and the wires are going to hold it, which is not a good thing to do. So use two hands when you do this. Oops, and don't drop the screw because I have no idea where it went. See, I unclip the other side, kind of wiggle it around. That's what I'm talking about. So, and I'm gonna pause the camera because I do not want to stress this. And there's a tab on top, it looks like. I'm gonna squeeze that and separate it. I'll be right back because I need to. Well, let me try to clip it in here. And if you're a professional like me, you can do it with one hand apparently. So I just clipped it there. And you'll have two hands, so this will be easy for you. So essentially what happens on these is, if you could look in here, there's like a little metal clip and it gets all goofed up. And it will not stay in this position. It'll keep sagging. Even there it sags when I try to lift it up. And these are not repairable, unfortunately. So all you do is you order a replacement one. I'll see if I can find a link on Amazon. Make sure your color is the same. This is a gray interior. They make a weird brown color, beige or whatever they call it. So if you have gray, you want to make sure you get a gray one. And then the process to put it back together is just reverse of this. So I hope this helps you out. And if you're all confused and need to see how I put this back together, essentially just going to reverse it. Let me know. Maybe I'll make a video putting it back on. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you out.